We connect worldwide and individually with high-quality cable solutions. Regardless of how specific your needs or where in the world you're located, we react rapidly to your requirements. With perfectly designed and customer-oriented solutions, our cooperation is a constant dialogue from the first moment. But not only dialogue alone distinguishes our work, we always strive to give our best. Focusing on success has made us the internationally leading cable systems provider. That's why our ambition is to always deliver the very best quality. Playing a leading role in cable technology also means serving as a reliable partner for our customers, a tight-knit and dedicated community at home all over the world. As the pioneers in connection solutions, we strive to achieve constant progress and excellence with our services and products. For 5 decades, our innovations have set international industrial standards. Oskar Lapp was an inventor and a pioneer. He revolutionized cable technology by inventing the first industrially manufactured control line. Since then, our drive has been to connect the world. Whether in Shanghai, where thanks to our cable systems the Transrapid remains in motion and the robot assembly lines never stop, or the pyramids of Giza, where our especially durable ÖLFLEX cables withstand the extreme climate conditions. ÖLFLEX cables also enable the complex infrastructure of airports on every continent. From thousands of kilometers in the New Delhi metro to the complete wiring for state-of-the-art wind farms, these all rely on expertise from Stuttgart, Germany. This competence also enables us to assume responsibility for demanding projects. Because we work with cutting-edge technology and can offer tailored system solutions worldwide with more than 1,000 patents and 40,000 products. Rely on the best connection technology, developed and manufactured by the best in the branch. Lapp.